Oh, well, well, well. What do we have here? The new Encanto sets have arrived. And you know what that means? It means the new Lego Minidoll skin color is here. BrickoMotion. Hello. Only slightly giddy Claire here. And that might have to do with the package I received today. 2 of the 3 sets contain this same Minidoll with the new reddish brown skin color. And I'm so excited to see what this looks like that I'm gonna open this right now and show it to you. Because I'm sure you are just as excited as I am, because how could you not be? And this one's even pink. Oh, and it appears that I still have my Everyone is Awesome set here in my light box as well. This might come in handy at the end of the video, so let's leave it to the side. On to the real reason why we are here. Ooh, where are you? Are you here? Nope. Here? Yes. Found ya. Oh yeah, let's put the other Minidoll together as well. Oh, she is cute. I like her very much, but this is the one we want. Oops. Well, yeah. This is a new skin color. I know. I need to compare it to the others. I'll be back in a sec. And I'm back. Now let's put all of these cuties on their pedestals. I gotta twist them just the tiniest bit. There we go. Aren't they the cutest? Oh, they look so good. And if this is only a taste of what is to come with LEGO Friends in 2022, I am all in. Now the most important question is, where on this spectrum would I put him? I could go with brown, because, well, that is his skin color, but maybe a yellow because of the shirt, or orange because of the overshirt. And the pants do match orange quite well as well. I'm not sure. But wait, no, I don't want to do that because yellow is already reserved for Belle, so he will have to go here or here. Well, luckily I don't have to decide yet. And you can tell me which of these options you would prefer. Sorry, little guy, it wasn't on purpose. So yeah, this is the new skin tone for LEGO Minidolls. And Microdolls, obviously. It's really here. LEGO actually made it. And I think that action speaks for itself. I don't have to add anything more to it. Until the next time you click on one of my videos, bye bye. Okay, so now that we made sure that the new skin color is in fact a new skin color, I can get back to painting the Scarlet Witch.